皆さんこんにちは。スティーブ的視点のスティーブです。サニトラ日曜日なんでちょっと時間できたので初ドライブに行ってみようかなと考えてます。近所でぐるぐる回ったことがあるんだよね。あるけど普通の一般道で走るのはこれから、初めてになるので、ガソリンスタンドまでとりあえず目標として、行ってみようかね。楽しみです。かわいいサニトラ、かわいそうなサニトラ、全然乗られてないサニトラです。頑張れサニトラ、頑張れ。初めて一般道普通の道で走ってみるサニトラ、正直にちょっとドキドキしながら、やっぱりちょっとしたエンジントラブルなどなどサスのトラブルはあったんだけど、今のところはいい感じに走ってます。ちっちゃいね、狭いね。軽トラの方がもう足広めるんだけど楽しい、めっちゃ目立つサニトラです。頑張れサニトラ。今ガソリンスタンドに着きました。ちょっと満タンして古いガソリンしか入ってないので、ずっとちょっと綺麗な今の早くを入れたいと思います。レーストラックがもう混んでるな。あれ何あれ、うそ、信じられない、すんげえ。Is that you? What the hell, man? What are you? Gucci, dude. What are you guys up to, man?
Man, we're putting some gas in the cars, getting some drinks. It's hot in the.
Wait a minute. I recognize the Century and I recognize the Laurel. What I don't recognize, what you're blocking right there. Are you driving a Sera?
I'm driving my client Sera. We just got it. We're about to take it back to the shop, and it's getting a full color change. It's getting a full restoration, headlights, corner lights, window polishing.
All right, I gotta see that car. Stand by, I'm coming around.
All right, come on.
Woo!
This thing's beautiful.
Jake, dude. First of all, you're in my neck of the woods. This is McKinney, man. I thought you guys hung out in Carrollton and places like that.
We usually do.
What you doing out this way? You know what? I'm not complaining. Thank you for coming out this way. Because if not, when I took my sonny out for its first ride today, I would have never came across a Sera for the first time.
Definitely wouldn't have.
The Century that I love, Gucci Century, and the Laurel, man. The Laurel that we are going to do a video on next time as well, 100%. Dude, what a sight to see in an American gas station, huh? Sugokunai? Jake, that's your customer's car?
It is.
I may not know your customer probably, but do you think he'd mind if I took a little peek inside that car? A little bit more?
Ahead, of course.
You're sure he's cool with it? I wouldn't want to just assume so.
No, I talked to him, man. He said, hey, you have fun with that car, you enjoy that car, that's what it was meant to do.
Oh, man.
He's a great guy.
I've never been in a Sera before,
Thanks,
dude.
Matt.
So, Matt, thank you. I can't wait to check out your Sera. Hey, Jake. Wow, man.
What's up, man?
My first time in a Toyota Sera. Look at that.
Isn't it
Look
amazing?
at that. Look at this car.
It's so nice.
Look at these windows.
Yeah.
Look at these gull-wing doors.
It's beautiful.
Dude, so
It's
cool.
beautiful.
What a nice car.
Isn't it? It's in really good shape.
It's got 159,000 kilometers on it. That's
Yeah.
about 90,000 miles on it.
Yeah.
It's quiet. The air conditioning is pretty cool.
It's not too
on a
bad.
hot day.
Yeah.
Me and you were in here.
Yeah, and these are
Show
your
me these.
dude.
Oh,
so these
okay. I
are-
see what you.
Yeah,
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, they come out like this.
How cool is that?
They don't tilt very well.
No, they don't
but
tilt very good, but you know they sure look cool
They
sitting up here.
sure
don't
look
they?
cool.
God damn, dude, that
They
is
look
cool
great.
as can be.
They look great.
Look at that.
Yeah, and then these are actual covers, so like the whole glass can be exposed.
yeah.
It's really nice.
That would.
But
man,
in the Texas heat,
Yeah.
I will say when these are off,
yeah, it's hot.
It's hot.
It's hot.
real hot.
Can we take it off?
Let's take it off.
Take them off, man.
Let's take
We're
them
in this
off.
car. Let's take them off. That
That
is
is
cool.
nice.
That was
That is
off.
nice.
That makes this car better. I gotta see how these windows open. That's
Yep.
all you get with the
That's
windows,
all you
huh?
get. That's all you get.
That's it.
Yep,
And
only
right here,
half
this
of
is all
it.
we get.
That's all you get.
All right, man.
No
Well,
drive-throughs in this thing.
You know what's cool? This
Even
is
the
cool.
even
Isn't
the
that
handle
cool?
is tilted.
Look
It's
at that.
so
the tilt on
interesting.
here. That is really cool.
Yeah, it's very interesting.
Wow. What year is this car?
This is a 94.
A 94.
94.
This is a 5-speed or a 6-speed?
It is
it's
a
5-speed. The Razzo.
Yes.
The Razzo
Yes.
5-speed. Whoa, that clutch grab's nice. That's right
grabs really
there.
well, yeah.
I gotta hear the horn. That's a nice sound
go.
horn. Let's go, guys. Let's take a little ride. Wow. I've never driven a Sera before.
Really?
Never.
Really? How many have you seen?
Not too many. I gotta say, in the United States, maybe this is the second one I've ever seen.
Wow, really?
So, and in Texas, probably the first one I've ever seen. And I
It's-
gotta say, it's such a cool car.
Interesting.
In the realm of coolness,
Yeah.
is this not one of the cooler cars around? I mean,
It has to be. It has to be.
completely compact. And you know what? This is, I mean, it's a small car, but it's not like it's so tiny, ridiculously small that it's not somewhat drivable. Even, I mean, we're not big guys, but
Yeah.
you know what? That's not bad. I love it. And it winds to 7,000 plus, almost
Yeah.
7,500 RPM.
She'll wind up there.
That is
She'll
amazing,
wind up there.
dude.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's so nice.
Nice horn, too.
Nice horn.
That's
You
a
would
big
think such
horn.
a little car would have the
Yeah, no,
horn.
this
Nope.
is that's a like a Toyota Century
that's a
type of horn, isn't
Century
it?
horn,
You're
man.
right, dude.
Yes, sir.
Dude, fun as can be. How did your customer find this car?
He found it in Tennessee at an importer in Tennessee. He didn't give me a name, but he found it in Tennessee. They had it sitting for like, I think he said it sat for like 6 months on the lot. And
Wow,
no one
nobody
bought it.
picked up on
I
this
was
car.
like, what?
Guys,
Why?
open your eyes.
Open
a car
your
like
eyes.
this,
This is such a
nowhere
good
else.
car.
Where are you gonna find something like this?
Nowhere.
Folding doors.
Nowhere.
Toyota Sera. I don't even know how many they made, but in the United States, nobody's got this
Nobody
car.
has this car.
Unreal, man. And it's about being unique. That's what's
Yes.
special. It's
Yes.
about being different.
Yes.
And this car is about as different. It's like the AZ1 difference too, right?
Yes,
It is
exactly.
so different.
Yeah.
And so unique and so fun. You got so much room to see out of this car.
Yeah.
Look at this. You can.
Yeah.
You got the whole arm out the window.
It's very
all
nice.
this. It's all. Oh man, this car is cool. Not fast.
Not fast at
But
all.
fun it is. Wow.
It's so great.
This is neat, man.
Every time I drive this car, I
Yeah.
just can't help but smile because, like, one,
Right.
you know you're the most interesting car on the road.
Are these built in? Are these
Yes,
integrated?
yes.
Show
These are
everybody
built-in
that. That's
couplers.
cool.
They're couplers on the dash of the car.
Amazing.
Very interesting.
Dude, and not a lot of blind spots in a car like this when you got this much room, huh?
No,
Jeez, you
it's
see
very
pretty
easy
good.
to drive.
Even this area here, it's pretty easy to see despite having the window
Correct,
open.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
really cool. What are people's reactions like when they see this car?
A lot of people, the immediate question is obviously, what is this? But most people's reaction is that they just absolutely love it.
Turn that camera around for a second. Is that not the biggest and biggest American and Texas flags you've ever seen?
Literally, that is something you would see at like one of those massive car lots, you know what I mean?
Dude, I think this little Toyota Sera needs to sit right underneath that massive flag. What do you say?
I think you're right.
I think I'm totally right.
I think you're absolutely
We are
right.
gonna pull right in here and look at that, man. In fact, dude, we gotta get a shot of that.
We got to.
You got it from inside this car. How cool is that, dude?
This looking pretty good. What do you
Nice.
guys
Let's try
think?
that. Whoa,
Y'all
that
think
is
this is a
cool.
good-
Yes.
I think we should go just straight back.
Let's get a picture. Let's open this
Yeah,
thing
let's
up and
get
take
this
a
thing up
picture,
there.
man.
This thing's great, isn't it?
Your customer is a very smart man. What's his name?
His name's Matt.
Tell Matt that for one, thank him for letting me drive his car. Two, tell him that I truly think he is a man with vision.
Yes.
Meaning that he has found a car that is unique. You won't see so many of them. Totally different than anything you've ever seen in the USA around. And he's ahead of the curve, man. He's ahead of the curve. We're going to keep growing this community.
Yeah, absolutely.
Of cool Japanese cars here in the US. And thanks, man.
Of course.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Anytime, man.
I really, truly enjoyed getting to experience different cars and to drive one like this.
Yes.
Man, it was an honor. Thank you.
It's
Thank you
great.
so much. Thumbs up. Please subscribe for the best JDM content here in the United States.
Yes, more to come.
Steve POV, more to come. サニトラ調子いいね。もっともっと運転してあげないと、やっぱりいつも言うんだけど、車はね、乗られない車がダメになる。乗られちゃうからこそ、もちろんダメなところ出てくるんだけど、乗ってあげなきゃっていうことだよね。サニトラはね、嬉しいんだろうな。アメリカでこういう風に走れるなんかはいいね、いいね。まあこれからちょっと安心してもっと乗れるような気がするので、皆さんを楽しみにしてください。これからイベントなどにサニトラで行きたいなと思います。チャンネル登録とサムズアップお気に入りのボタンも押してくださいね。よろしくお願いします。ではまた次回まで日々前進サムズアップ的にやっていきましょう。